Welcome back to Ensign Equipment. My name's Andy Ersch. I'm one of the sales engineers here at Ensign, and today I want to talk to you about the Ratchet safety assembly option for our Gaylord tilters. This is an option that is designed and used to prevent injury in the case of any catastrophic air failure. If there is ever an air pressure loss, whether it be when the bucket is in the up position like it is now, or the bucket is traveling down or traveling up, the spring forward cylinder on the Ratchet safety assembly will catch the bucket and prevent it from crashing to the floor or crashing onto somebody's feet or hands or any other pinch points or anything else that's in the way of the bucket. So I'll kind of show you how that works. I'm going to simulate a shop air loss so you can kind of see what happens. So I'll come over here. I'll begin going down using the Parker hand control, and I'll remove shop air pressure. So hopefully you heard that spring forward cylinder actuate, saw the bucket stop moving. So no matter what, that bucket is not going anywhere until I fix the air problem. So that's what I'm going to show you here. I actually have to go back up before I can put the bucket back down. So we'll put the bucket back up, and now we can go back down. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at sales@ensigneq.com or check us out on our website. We have lots of information and other resources for you there as well. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and maybe share this video with someone it could be valuable to, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.